All right, guys, this is lesson 9, and it's a world geography review. We're going to be learning how to use a grid, landform, and transportation maps. All right, so a grid map, it uses the grid to help locate places. An index is an alphabetical list that can tell you where things are located. And a map legend, or also called a map key, is a table that explains map symbols. So, first of all, map legends. We're going to learn how to use maps. So, let's look at the common things we might find on a map to help us use them. Let's compare these two maps. Use a map legend to find houses that have pools, and the map legend makes it easier to find things on the map. Okay, so let's look at here. This is a real life map, so it shows the houses, the street, pools, everything. And then this one gives you a map legend. It shows you where the houses are, where the trees are, where the pools are, and where the road is. The symbols in a map legend can be lines, colors, or pictures. And different maps have different symbols for what they represent. On one map, yellow might mean a field, but then on another, it may mean a desert. So you always got to look at the map legend to tell what is happening or what's going on that map. Most maps will have a title, and the title will tell you what that map is about. So like this one, it's Happy Trails Neighborhood. So this neighborhood here is called Happy Trails. All right, an index, it's an alphabetical list that tell you where things can be found. And a grid map, it uses these set of boxes over here to help you locate a place. So on this one right here, it has letters on both sides and numbers on the top and bottom. This tells you where you can find something. So if I say, let's find C2, you're going to go to the C here. You're going to put your finger there. Then you're going to go up and put your finger up here at the 2. Then you're going to come down and go over until they meet. That right here is where C2 is at. Okay, so if you were doing D2, or you'd go here to D and then here to 2, and then you would go down until you went to D and then over 2. So let's move on. Right here, a bus station. So it's A1, so you're going to put your finger on A and 1 and then bring them together. Here is the bus station. Let's look at the park. It's C4, so we're going to go to the C, and we're going to go to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the park. So, we'll do one more, for example. A fishing pond, C5. So here's our C, and here's our C. And then we're going to go to where the 5 is. And it's right here. Here is the fishing pond. All right, here's a little story for you. Wisdom is using truth to make daily choices. A wise person knows the truth and puts it into practice every day. Imagine a jar full of marbles. Every time you make a good decision, it's like adding a marble to the jar. The more good decisions you make, the wiser you become. Each wrong or foolish decision is like taking a marble out, and slowly the jar becomes empty. So every choice is important, including the friends you make, the books you read, the programs that you watch, and how you spend your free time. So apply good character to every decision you make. All right. So this is going to be a review of everything you've done. So if you need to go back and look, you can, like for the map of the United States or the world map that shows you all the different continents and the oceans. So don't just guess. Make sure that you go back and you look so you can get a good grade on this, okay? And remember, if you get below a 70, I will check it and you will have to redo it again. All right. If you have any questions, just let me know.